This is the CK550 from Cooler Master, a value for money full-size mechanical keyboard with RGB lights. The striking feature about this board is that it has very bright RGB LED. The floating keys and the gunmetal brushed aluminum surface make the RGB LED even more visible. The laser-edged ABS keycaps sit firmly on the keyboard and looks great as the print is perfectly visible and bright. As for the lighting demo, it is as seen on the official product page, of which I'll provide the link in the description. The mechanical switches work as expected. My only complaint is that the keys bottomed out very loud, though I think it's not an issue if you are the type who doesn't mind the clacking of blue switches, but I like it as silent as possible, so it's a little off for me on this aspect. The CK550 comes with on-the-fly control customization for RGB lighting and macros, and you can customize it even further through software. Customizations aside, know that the CK550 comes with 1000Hz polling rate, N-key rollover and anti-ghosting features, 32-bit ARM Cortex-M3 processor, and the package comes with a user guide and a keycap puller. Alright, that's it for the Cooler Master CK550, which is a full-size keyboard with mechanical switches. It uses Gateron switch, and the model I have here is with the red switch, and it comes with RGB lights all over and it looks great. The only thing I didn't like about it is that it bottoms out very loud. I'm giving the CK550 a silver badge. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.